Hello and welcome back. I'm really happy you're here today, because today we're going to talk about something that can truly change how you speak English, not in months, but starting today. Let me ask you something. Do you ever understand English when you listen, but when it's your turn to speak, your mind goes blank? You know the words, you studied the grammar, but speaking feels slow, stressful, uncomfortable. If that sounds like you are not alone. And more importantly, you are not doing anything wrong. You were just never shown how to train your brain to think in English. In this video, you will learn a simple method called daily micro-practice. It doesn't require a textbook. It doesn't require 1 hour of study, and you don't need to prepare to do it. You just use small moments in your day to build a new thinking habit, and that habit leads directly to speaking. First, let's understand the real problem. Most learners try to speak by translating. You think in your language, then try to change it into English. That is like trying to run while stopping every 2 seconds to tie your shoes. It's exhausting, and it destroys your confidence. So instead of translating, we train your brain to notice life directly in English. Here's how it works. There are 3 tiny actions. You can do them anywhere. Let's start with the first one. Step 1. Notice and name. Right now, look around you. Anything you see, say it in English. My chair is comfortable. The window is open. My phone is in my hand. That's it. You are not making a speech. You are just labeling your world in English. This is how thinking begins. Step 2. Add action. Now describe what is happening. I am sitting. I am watching this video. I am listening carefully. I am learning something new. Now English is connected to movement, to real life, to you. And that makes it easier for your brain to remember. Step 3. Add a simple thought. Now add one feeling, one opinion. This is interesting. I feel relaxed. This is not difficult. I can do this. This step is powerful because communication is not just facts. It's thoughts, feelings, reactions. This is what real speaking sounds like. Let's try it together. Look around right now. Say one thing you see. Say one action. Say one thought. You just practiced English, not studying, not memorizing, practicing, and it took less than 30 seconds. Imagine doing this 5 times a day, while drinking tea, while walking, while waiting for something, while opening your laptop. These are micro moments, small, but incredibly powerful. They slowly teach your brain, English is not a subject, English is part of my life. And here's what starts to happen. After a few days, you hesitate less. After a few weeks, sentences come faster. After some time, you stop saying, "Let me translate." You just speak. If you enjoy learning this way, through real-life practice, not theory, this channel is made for you. So consider subscribing because we focus on helping you actually use English, not just study it. And we're going to build this skill together, step by step. Remember, confidence doesn't come from knowing more. It comes from using what you already know, again and again, in small, natural moments. You don't need perfect English. You need consistent English. So here's your challenge for today. Do 5 micro-practices. Just 5. Notice, name, add an action, add a thought. No notebook, no pressure, just life, in English. This is how thinking changes. And when thinking changes, speaking follows. If this video helped you, give it a like so more learners can find it. Subscribe for more practical English strategies. And most importantly, start your first micro-practice right now. Look around you and say your first sentence. I'll see you in the next video.